This is a demonstration on how to download and use the UseePlus app. I'm going to be using a standard iPad today. These can be used with iPads, iPhones, and Android systems. This is a demonstration on how to download. The first step is to go to the App Store or the Play Store to find the app. We do have QR codes on our instructions for our products, but I prefer to do it like this. So I'm going to go to the App Store here, and I'm going to go to a search. Type in UseePlus, that's spelled U-S-E-E. Plus is one word. There we go. So you can see the app in the top right corner here. I'm going to go there, and I've already downloaded it before, so I'm going to go ahead and hit the cloud here, but if you haven't, it'll just allow you to access it. And so now it's ready to go. I have my app ready to open. Once you have your app downloaded, you'll see a screen like this that says the device is not connected. So what we're going to do is take our borescope, like we have here, and it usually has a OTG adapter like this that we plug into the computer. Once you plug it in, then you should have a picture show up. So just kind of wait for it to engage for a few seconds. And there we are. Once connected, you can experiment a bit to make sure that the live feed is smooth and running well. Sort of move around a little bit to make sure that the connection is secure. And then we'll explore some of the other features. To take photos or videos, you can see there's a menu here at the bottom of the screen that has photo or video. You can switch between the two. Here, I'm going to do photo now. So if I want to take a photograph, I can, of course, hit that button there to take a photograph. Many of our devices have snap buttons, so you can use this to actually take a photo rather than having to use the icon on this. For videos, we switch to this mode here, hit the button once, and let me shift this over here. You can see in the top screen here that it's recording the video, and it's giving me my timer. And to end the video, I just come back down to the button, if I can get it here on screen, and end it there. And then we have a video. There are a few other icons here to be noted on the app screen. This one here will flip the screen, so you can have a larger screen if you wanted to do like a wide horizontal view. This one gives you a color contrast, so you can go to black and white to full color, whichever you prefer. This one is a side-by-side view, so you can actually compare two photos that you had currently taken and wanted to compare. And you always hit the back button. Always hit the back button when you're not sure of where you are. There are a few other icons here to be noted on the app screen. This one here will flip the screen, so you can have a larger screen if you wanted to do it. This one here is your folder. So here's your album. So you have all your photos and videos here you can access. So I'm looking at this photo here, and I can, if you look at the bottom there, I guess I want to say allow full access. This will allow you to save photos to your album. So these will go directly to your photo folder. I think with Android it'll save automatically. With Apple, you have to hit that button to be able to save it to your photo folder. So as you can see, you have both photos, videos, everything that you need in this folder.